Hello everyone, this is Zhenyuan Hao from ADD Group. I'm VP of Global Sales of ADD. ADD became a group after we went public in Shanghai Stock Exchange in 2017. It gave us our current and future customer total confidence into entering long-term business relationship with us. Now we have 5 factories in China. 3 of them produce shock absorber located in Zhejiang province, and 2 of them located in Anhui province, which produce strut mount, engine mount, and gasket. And we have 1 more factory located in Thailand, which is in process. So now ADD Group offering shock, strut, complete strut assembly, air shock, air spring, and strut mount, engine mount, and gasket. To support our global business, we have 5 representative offices throughout the world to ensure our customer receive excellent service and support. Add value to customer is not only our company's slogan, but also the core thinking of us, and it's in our DNA.
Hello everybody, this is Sefang Zheng from ADD Group. I'm the CEO of ADD USA. Performance Ride Technology is the most preferred global brands in suspension system, trusted by automotive companies throughout the world. So our PRT brand is also listed on the mainstream social media platform like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. You can find out more information with hashtag PRTMyCar on Instagram. And you can also find our first to market application installation tips on YouTube. At PRT, we understand the importance of catalog and marketing. Our catalog have been listed in the mainstream data platform. So we have leading coverage, and we constantly doing first to markets for our products because we understand that's very important for our customer. We have almost 5,000 part numbers for including our shocks and struts, complete strut assembly, and the heavy duty shocks.
So as an employee of ADD, I'm really proud to work for a company with the global representation that we have, the coverage that we have, and the market share that we have. With over 135 countries that we support, I couldn't be more proud to work for a company like ADD. The core values, the family values, and everything that they bestow upon the team and their customers makes me really proud to work for a company like ADD.
I'm Michael Padover, president of Stan Padover Associates in New York. We've been the PRT rep for a number of years in the Northeast. When we look for a vendor, we research their basic manufacturing capabilities and quality control, and then we look into logistics, packaging, range, and industry-friendly policies. PRT checks all those boxes for us, and they've exceeded our expectations. That, along with access to the management and ownership, have made this a very, very successful program for us.